Hey, let me ask you a question. Before you launch your products on Amazon, are you thinking about a strategy to pre-launch your products? And this is something, if you look at this place right here, right? Construction commencing, builder appointed, right? They're pre-launching. They haven't even built these units yet, right? But they're pre-selling the units prior to launch. And that's something that it would help if you started thinking about that. How can you pre-launch your products to your customers, right? So how can you go about thinking, when I do finally launch my products, how do I, when I launch them, get the most bang for my buck, get immediate sales coming in the door? Because you don't want to launch it and then have no sales come in, right? You don't want to just launch it and go, oh, wow, there's no sales, what's going on? You actually want to have a database, you want to have potential buyers, potential people interested in your product even before you launch. So when you actually do launch, you're launching like this. You're saying, hey guys, I've got my baby product coming out in 2 months. Get ready for it, right? The countdown is on. 60 days to go, 59 days to go, 30 days to go. My product is going to be online in 2 days, guys. Get ready. There's a coupon. It's going to come your way, right? Get ready. My product's here. Guys, go to the Amazon store and buy it, and I would love to get your honest feedback, right? And ask that sort of stuff, because that way you're preempting the sales, right? You're launching it, you're spending some time, and what you're doing is you're pre-marketing prior to the launch on Amazon. So guys, just something to think about, before you launch a product, can you reach out to Facebook groups? Can you reach out, maybe build a little blog if you want, right? Can you reach out potentially to LinkedIn, right? And reach out to people potentially interested in buying whatever you have to sell. And that way, when you do go to launch and when your products do go for sale, then you can actually launch with a bit of a bang, right? So hopefully that makes sense. Now guys, I'm actually heading off right now. We're heading off to see our conference center for the upcoming conference on the Gold Coast, September 28, 29 and 30. I would love to see you there. And this is my business partner, Peter. Hey Peter, are you ready?
Hey, I am.
You excited?
I'm excited.
Good, all right,
Let's go.
Let's get out of here.